Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Um, Today we are going to be ringing the doorbell 100 times, and apparently Mom will she'll go through the gate and we can follow behind her.
I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
Yeah. So last time we played this, we escaped through that gate. So
Wait a minute.
no, let's hide here. This is gonna take a long time. Guys, I don't know. Is Mom back in the kitchen? Yeah, she is.
I'm coming.
The third time she's gonna go like, I'm coming out now. Because I've played this before. Did you know rascal means squirrel in French? One of my friends told me. Alright. Someone's about to get in trouble. Bye. Bye, Mom.
Even the doorbell is
Mocking me. Guys, did you know that the doorbell... I wish I could show you this with the menu mode, but I can't because literally I can't go outside no more without the menu mode. But right there, on the gate.
Right.
Oh,
I have to go water the plants.
of course. That's just... Wait, we could search the kitchen though for the bug spray, and instead we could try and escape through the roof. Shall we try that, guys?
How do you strike?
Is Mom even outside? Alright. No. No. Right, so
Just score already! Ah!
shut up, Dad. They should really make a school Runway too. I'm not even kidding. They really should make a school Runway too. Oh. I swear, if Dad goes to pee, good. Don't go to pee,
I'm
Dad.
coming out now.
No. Apparently, it takes 35 times. Told you.
They anyone from an edge or something?
Guys, did you know Dad and Mom is a clone? Oh my
Something's
God.
pressing. I'll go
Oh
to the
my-
toilet.
Bro, I swear. That's just insanely annoying. Yeah, but did you know Dad, it's Runway, he's a clone, so with the mom, but the mom is, she's alive, but she's locked in like in the basement, like in the pantry, that little door. She's locked in there, and she is a clone, and Dad's also a clone. Also a clone.
I'll go check the phone.
Wow. Can I go? Oh yeah, God, you probably didn't know this. Watch this. Bro. Yeah, I can't do it. But let's go. Ring the doorbell. Shut my door. The first of all of them. But now we actually gotta stay here to check if she's gonna open it or not.
Come on!
God, bro. Yeah. Mom, I have a question.
Well, come on!
Apparently you have to do this part 25 times. I searched it on YouTube before I did
Where are
it.
you going?
I don't know where I'm going. I'm going out of this house to get this ending.
Right.
Oh.
I have to go water the plants.
Why, bro? Why though? Why do you have to? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why? Hi, I'm Muffin, and it's muffin time. Who wants a muffin? Please, I just wanna die. Guys, my recording just cut for some reason, so I'm gonna have to put 2 parts into the video.
How do you strike?
Yeah, so like, basically I was recording this video, and I was gonna try and ring the doorbell 100 times, and then it just, my recording cut, and I have to start all over again. Well, not basically, because I started recording again. And Dad, don't go to the toilet, please. Poo-poo head.
Not to him!
Damn it.
Damn it. I'll go check
who's
writing
writing
to
to
me.
me. Get your dressing gown and your Crocs on. Why? We're going to McDonald's breakfast. Yes, sir! But I'm gonna have trash internet. What if my recording cuts again? Get your dressing gown. Okay, I'm trying to. Isaac, can you start doing videos with me? Yeah, I'll do them soon. Alright.
Something's pressing.
God, bro.
The toilet.
God! Huh?
Are you joking?
Yeah, literally, guys. That's just annoying. Why does Dad have to go to the toilet, bro? Now I gotta
Oh, baby.
Yo! Bro is a sassy baka. How do you even enjoy peeing, bro? Guys, they need to add like something called the mod menu where you where you can turn into the mom and dad. Yeah, they should definitely do that. By the way, guys, if you don't know who that is my brother. And don't you think we shall collab? Let me know in the comments if you think we shall collab. Honestly, I think we do better videos. My game just bugs. It made me go that way when I wanted to go this way.
Well, come on.
How? Wait, though. Where? Where I ring the doorbell 100 times. Isaac, how old are you gonna be when you face reveal? I don't know. I can't tell my viewers that. Oh my days, bro! Oh my god. Mom is literally. Look, I done a double now. Nice. Can you get my dressing gown? Yeah, sure. Guys, like and sub if you like McDonald's breakfast. But if you don't like McDonald's, comment and share. Share and like. Like and subscribe if you like McDonald's breakfast. But share and comment if you don't like McDonald's. Well, if you do like McDonald's. Because I honestly think McDonald's is good, but McDonald's breakfast is way better. 100%. McDonald's is decent, but McDonald's breakfast is good. Yeah, true. Like, and I don't know how in the world McDonald's is one of the biggest companies. Like, it sucks, man. It doesn't even taste good that much. Anyone can add or something. This has to be the good. This has to be it. This has to be it. Do you remember when we tried the Grimace milkshake? Oh my gosh. Guys, if you try the Grimace milkshake, bro, trust me, it is awful, bro. It is disgusting. I know. Like, my brother, Theo literally spat it out when he tasted it. I tasted it, I spat it out, and it went near my nuts, and everybody was like, ugh, that got really soft. Bro, this has to be the time, bro. Like, I've rang it more than... Bro, are you serious? I just want there to be a button where you can slap them back. Literally, though. Guys, have you tried the mod menu. If you go to the mod menu, what the? If you
Good
job,
Yes,
you can do it. Yeah, if you go to the mod menu and make yourself do the toilet task. If you put the toilet cleaner in mom's face, then you turn on fly mode and no clip on. If you turn on that, then and then you put the toilet thing in mom's face. Literally, if you run away from mom, she can't get you. So basically, turn on fly mode and no clip, put the toilet thing in mom's face, and then just fly away. And guys, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel so I can start doing videos too. Yeah, and he can collab with me. Bro, this has to be it. Why does he have to rocket John Hills only? Because he's doing exotics only. Last time he did in his last round he did the mammoth. Like and subscribe if you play Fortnite.
But either way, it's nothing to do with no one. Because
Who opened the bathroom
Oh my
door?
days.
Where did you go?
Like and subscribe.
Get up!
if you-
Her son
if you
decided
play
to run
Fortnite.
away!
don't go to
Whoa. Freddy Fazbear, har har har. Freddy Fazbear, har har har. Oh my gosh!
Let me
Bro,
know where you are.
that is so annoying because Dad.
check the phone.
Yeah, that is so annoying because Dad literally had to go pee, so I literally had to
Guys,
go in the bathroom.
look, I can read I can read everything in the world. Look, I know that Dad's about to go like see you can do it, start to try to play like this. I know Dad's gonna say that in 3, 2, 1. See you can do this, why don't you always play like this?
How do you do these accents?
Cause I got drama.
Bro, get out.
Guys, comment down below if you watch Fulton and Kayla's play Scuba Runway.
Who keeps like that?
Why is Dad's door open? That's glitched. No, bro.
And guys, did you know that you can make Dad locked in the closet? Locked in the pantry.
you gotta use
Let Mum out and then Dad will walk in. And then
Alright, you
imagine there was a way where you could make Mum asleep.
Yeah. Did you know if you make Dad check on you with the menu mode, and then you make him sleep? This has to be it.
Guys, comment down below your username on Fortnite and we can play with you on Fortnite if you want.
Yeah. Guys, I'm actually I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Guys, we're watching Tip the Gamer as well. And Tip the Gamer just went like, let's go! Because he won.
How do you even... You are such a good voice actor. You need to be a voice actor. When you're older, you should,
Who's better at acting, me or Cash?
you, 100%. This has to be it. If this isn't it, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad as hell.
Guys, comment down below if
Bro,
you also...
how in the world? How? Tell me how. Tell me. That's
Guys,
guys. That's crazy. I'm gonna punch my laptop.
Sometimes when we're playing with one of our friends, his name's called Thomas, and
You got a tattoo.
one time we were playing Fortnite and the kids kept running away, and he went like, "Bro, it's not called Fortnite Runaway."
Let me know down in the comments, guys. What do you play Fortnite? No, what do you play Scuba Runway on? Not Fortnite. What do you play Scuba Runway on? Tell me. This has to be it, bro. Yeah. Mom.
Wait, Isaac, remember when you saw like
Yo! Why did it make me stop? Oh my god. Thank you.
Isaac?
Alright guys, that took incredibly long.
And guys, if you're playing Roblox or Fortnite or something,
Yes. How foolish it was to leave the doors
make sure
to the street.
if you see any games where it says if you get to the end of this you get free Robux, you get free V-Bucks, don't fall for those scams.
Yeah, because once I did. And
It didn't end up so good.
yeah, anyways, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.